Russian space organization Roscosmos is battling to push tasks along after the nation attacked Ukraine, enormously reducing most, if not all, connection with the remainder of the worldwide space local area all the while. Russian researchers are presently attempting to oversee a German telescope as of now circling the Earth very nearly 1 million miles away, Ars Technica reports, in a striking heightening. The Russian fabricated Spectre RG shuttle was sent off by a Russian Proton rocket a long time back. It houses its essential instrument called Erecita, a X-beam observatory worked by the Max Planck Institute for Extraterrestrial Physics, MPE, in Germany, as well as the ART-XC instrument, a Russian high-energy X-beam telescope. However, since Russia attacked Ukraine, Germany cut off its participation with Roscosmos, driving Erecita into experimental mode on February 26, to the disappointment of Russian specialists, who currently appear to need control of the instrument back. Presently, blunt Roscosmos boss Dmitry Rogozin is intending to assume command of the telescope. I carefully guided start work on re-establishing the activity of the German telescope in the Spectre RG framework so it cooperates with the Russian telescope, Rogozin said on Russian state TV, as cited by German telecaster Deutsche Welle. Regardless of Germany's interest to close down one of the two telescopes at Spectre RG, Russian experts demand proceeding with its work, he added. Roscosmos will settle on important choices sooner rather than later. German authorities are presently cautioning that turning on Erecita without the inclusion of the MPE might actually cause harm, Deutsche Welle reports. Rogozin is enraged at Germany for ending the Spectre RG shuttle's activities, and is plainly not above throwing mud in the following struggle. They, individuals that went with the choice to close down the telescope, don't have an ethical right to end this exploration for humanity on the grounds that they're favorable to extremist perspectives or near our foes, Rogozin said during his appearance. What Russia's powerful mediation will mean for the fate of the observatory is not yet clear. However, one thing's without a doubt: never bet against disorder in the Russian space program.